And we have another big breaking update coming in. Enforcement Directorate has once again summoned former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. He's been asked to appear before the agency next week. He was earlier asked to appear before the agency this morning at 11 a.m. but he sought more time from the Enforcement Directorate. Now he's been asked to appear and join the investigation next week. Shravan is joining us on the phone line to give us more details as far as ED summons is concerned. Shravan, over to you.
Well, Tanika, this is the latest that we are picking up. The Enforcement Directorate has issued fresh summons to former Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, this after he was asked to appear today before the Mumbai unit around 11 o'clock this morning. It was only a little after 11 o'clock we saw Anil Deshmukh's lawyers appearing before the Enforcement Directorate seeking for more time. This new summon has basically been issued keeping in mind that he had basically sought for more time. And more importantly, what the indication that the Enforcement Directorate actually gave in the court today is that a questioning of former Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, becomes imperative at this point in time on two grounds. One, that Sachin Waze has basically named Anil Deshmukh with regards to the money that he was collecting from the bar owners. And secondly, with regards to certain companies and trusts which have basically been linked back to Deshmukh's family members. And that is the reason why the Enforcement Directorate is saying that they essentially want to give an opportunity to Deshmukh to put across details of these very companies, and there are certain transactions that have essentially taken place, particularly a check entry that has been taken into the trust that is run by Deshmukh's family members, which the Enforcement Directorate suspects could be the same very money that Sachin Waze had collected from the bar owner.
Yes, and Shravan, as you keep getting us more details about the summons issued to Anil Deshmukh, even Yesha is joining us live. She's been tracking the story since morning from outside the Enforcement Directorate office to even the courts where Anil Deshmukh's aides were produced before the court this afternoon, and they've been remanded to ED custody till the 1st of July. But Shravan, if you could give us more details about the statement that was recorded of Anil Deshmukh yesterday, because today while submitting a letter to the ED, he stated very clearly that his statement has been recorded by the ED yesterday during the raids that were conducted in his Worli, in his Mumbai as well as Nagpur home. If you have any details of the statement that was recorded of the former Maharashtra minister. We just lost that connection with Shravan. We will try to get in Yesha as well. She's been trying to get us more updates as far as this investigation is concerned. But what we can tell our viewers right now at this moment, big breaking update coming in. Anil Deshmukh has been asked to appear before the Enforcement Directorate next week as well. He's been asked to join the investigation. Yesha, if you could give us more details about whether he will appear, when next week are we expecting Anil Deshmukh to join the investigation? Is there a statement likely from the minister in the next few hours as far as the investigation is concerned?
Raided by the Enforcement Directorate officials, now be it the Nagpur residence office or even for that matter his Worli residence. All these places were raided by the Enforcement Directorate, and as a result of it, two of his close associates, so his close aides, that is Kundan Shinde as well as Falane, that is Sanjeev Falane, they were both arrested and have now been sent to the custody until 1st July. So now what we see is the fact that the Anil Deshmukh lawyer had asked for some more time for Anil Deshmukh to appear after the summons were issued this morning. We see that there is a possibility of him joining the probe in the next 2 to 3 days from now, possibly by Tuesday next week, and as a result of which now there will be several lines of questioning that would happen, because what we saw was there were several points of contention that were raised by the Enforcement Directorate in the court today, wherein they had mentioned that there was Sachin Waze who was well aware of whatever was happening when it comes to Vasooli Gate scandal, and in fact, for that matter, Sachin Waze had also met Anil Deshmukh when it comes to several of the instances in March. Now, this entire Vasooli Gate angle was in force from December 2020 to February 2021. And in that context is what we see is there might be several more questions that would take place, because it is Sachin Waze whose name has cropped up in the remand copy, and it is on the basis of Sachin Waze's statement that these two people people, that is Palande as well as Shinde, have been arrested by Enforcement Directorate. Yes.
Yes, thank you very much, Yesha, for joining us with these details.